Understanding, lost it completely, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, lost it completely. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really elevate your English fluency. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this interesting expression. The phrase, lost it completely, is used to describe a situation where someone loses control of their emotions or actions. It can refer to a wide range of emotions such as anger, patience, or even sanity. When someone loses it, they might act in ways that are unexpected or out of character due to overwhelming feelings or stress. To truly grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. Anger. After the third time her computer crashed, she lost it completely and yelled in frustration. Sanity. He was so overwhelmed with the noise and chaos at home that he felt like he lost it completely. Patience. Waiting in line for hours, she finally lost it completely and left without making her purchase. These examples show how versatile the expression is and how it can be applied to different scenarios. Understanding how to use this phrase in a sentence is crucial. Here are some tips. It is often used to describe a past event or reaction. The phrase can be modified with adverbs for intensity, like, almost lost it completely, or nearly lost it completely. It's suitable for informal settings and conversations. If you're looking to vary your language, consider these alternatives. Flew off the handle implies losing temper. Had a meltdown suggests a breakdown in emotional or mental control. Went ballistic, another way to describe extreme anger. These alternatives can enrich your vocabulary and help you express nuances in different situations. Thank you for joining us today to explore the phrase, lost it completely. Understanding such expressions is key to mastering the English language and sounding more like a native speaker. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this lesson whenever you need a refresher. See you in our next video.